Today's video is about how to stop users from changing their email address in Okta. This is especially useful for admins who want to maintain consistent user data. First up, let me tell you, by default, every user can change their email in Okta. They just hop into their settings on the Okta dashboard, and they can update it. But sometimes, you need to lock this down. Here's how you do it, step by step. Start by heading over to your Okta admin dashboard. Here, look for Directory and then Profile Editor. Next, click on the user default. Now, you're in the Attributes section. Here, find the email attribute and click on that little information icon. Under User Permission, you'll see a drop-down. Click it and select Read Only. This makes the email field uneditable. Almost there. Hit Save Attribute. And that's it. You've just made sure users can't change their email addresses. A quick heads up. Profile enrollment in OIE may not work properly when the email address attribute is set to read only. Read-write permission for email address is required for profile enrollment in OIE. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.